So thank you, September sun, because I've been standing out here all day, going on hour 5 now of sanding and TSP washing the kitchen cupboards so I can paint them. It needed it, believe me, and it's going to look great when it's done, but it has been a long day, and the DIY shows never show this end of it. They show the beautiful finished product and not this laborious work. But it'll all be worth it. And on a side note, James managed to shock himself today when he found some electric box, and the neighbor came running because he heard him across the street. Anyways, everybody survived and problem solved. No hospital trips today. Yahoo! Tomorrow's a new day. So this here is the front of the cabinet. That's the color they were. Nice thick oak. And this is what they're gonna look like after. It's gonna be beautiful. They got some really cool hardware for the doors. Can't wait to hang them. It's gonna totally transform this kitchen. Just putting a nice fine coat of paint on the back of these. This is the second coat. This is called Chantilly Lace. It's a nice bright white. Yeah, that's what we needed. One more coat on here. That looks good. I gotta say, painting is not my favorite, but it's the one job where you can see a finished product right away. You can see your work, and it's a lot more satisfying than some of the projects. And this is where they're gonna go. This is not looking too pretty right now, but everything is primed, prepped. Hey, it's Shannon here again. Today is day 1 painting day. Forgot my selfie stick, forgot my microphone, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out. But we're using Collingwood Gray. It's a Benjamin Moore color, and we're painting the upstairs of this house today. My painting crew is Shandy and James and myself, and I'm purposely not recording when they're around because they both have extreme potty mouths, so just thought a little viewer discretion advised if they're around. This is my painting crew for the day.
That's right.
James and
Special guest appearance by
best friend ever.
Okay.
You have to look at the camera, sister.
Oh, hi.
Shandy. This is the color, the green, called grape leaves green. It used to be my favorite thing to paint everything. What was I thinking? I used to have bedrooms this color. As you can see, no one lets me paint within 2 inches of a border or a ceiling. Gotta say, cutting in isn't my forte. Looks like we bought a vanity that exactly matches the color to the wall and becomes camouflage.
It's exactly the same.
Collingwood Gray is a
If you can believe.
good color.
Did I seriously need another project? I don't really think I did.
A midway picture of what the vanity will look like. Gonna be nice.